Alright, hello everyone. Hopefully you can hear me fine. If you're in chat, say hello. I can see two people online. One is probably me. Today we are going to continue with Orchid Turtle. So I've got a typo in my title. I'm making a yeah, so I'm on my personal computer still. I had really good intention to bring my work computer home, but I did bring it home, and then realised that I didn't bring the dongles for it. It's like one of those new ones. So yeah, I need like a USB-C dongle to actually do anything. So yeah, hi Christian, how's it going? Good to see you. I assume that's you. Give you a reckon with the username. So a couple things I want to do today. I want to get basic like LMFI set up. I've never used LMFI before. Well, actually, that's a lie. I've used it at work, but it's probably an old version we're using. So to do that, I need to finish with the Rails API. And so the Rails API is almost complete, except I haven't got the default values working correctly yet. So I'm probably going to start with that, and then see how we go. So let's jump into it. So what I've got so far is, I'll bring up the terminal. Oops. Maybe. Yep. Cool. So I've just got this like standard Rails app. It's like a kind of an API app, I guess. Why not launching? So all it does is it spits out some JSON of topics I've saved to the database. So I've got 2 topics in my database so far. And these topics will be used in conversations inside the app. If you want to know more about the app, you can read below what it's about. We're just making it fun. Yeah, I've also got Rails Administrator installed, so I can go to admin as well. And I can edit these things. And I can give them votes and stuff like that. I'm just deciding how I'm going to do the vote system. So, like, ideally, in the app, people would swipe left or right and sort of give their opinion on whether or not the topic's a good topic to talk about. And I'll need to capture that somehow. And I was originally just going to increment this votes number, but I don't think that's terribly scalable, and I don't really know what is. Maybe like a vote object that's either like positive or negative towards a certain topic with an ID. That might be the worst. And then when I'm serving it, I can just sum it up. All the values or something like that. I won't decide that today, but I will try to figure out how to do vote values. Before I go on with that, I want to give everyone an update on Preach. So Preach, we did on the stream on Wednesday night or Thursday night. I think it would have been Thursday night. Anyway, the night after that, I shipped it. So, with the help of Jacob Marshall here in the credits, I got this little thing working. So, you can now go install it in Chrome. I'll put the link in the chat. And basically, you can install that, and then when you're on Twitter, you can preach stuff. So to show you some of the stats, we've got 9 total installs, so it's clearly going viral. But the impressions is interesting. The impressions is, so it's been used 63 times, which is cool. I imagine most of those Twitter users XenoJ, because I've seen him use it too often. So yeah, it's kind of cool. So inside this app, we have, this is back to Ruby on Rails, we have this topic thing, doesn't do much. Inside the DB, we have this migration script. I wonder if I can do it with the DB migration Rails default value. Now, I usually use Mongoid when I'm doing Rails stuff, so even though I've been doing Rails a while, I don't really know that much active record stuff. So we'll see how we go. Numbers. That might be a good way to do it. So in my topic thing, just going to change my indentation here to thanks, Christian. Take care. Cool, so let's see if this works. If I go add a new one, stop that there and start again. Not necessary, but I don't know how many times I fucked up. It's really annoying that you can't see what's on your object in Ruby unless you go look at the database. So dumb. So what is your life? No, still no. That's weird. I wonder why. I assume that would call it. Did what to call it. Let's try this again. streaming at the same time as doing. Here we go. Sweet. So now if I go back to the topics, cool. So I can go edit the other ones. Sweet. That's a bit more. Cool. So now I'm going to start looking into the other side of it, which is the iOS side. And that's LMFI. So why I'm using LMFI? Because I want to, not because it's the best option. Xcode is going to be annoyingly slow actually. So this might be a bad idea. Change my mind. Cool. I might Xcode's being done. Why you're not working Xcode? I'll just close some of the things I don't need open. So Xcode file open. It would look like Stack Overflow changed its UI since I was last on it. Cool. Alrighty. So let's go get LMFire. What we're going to do with LMFire is just load those topics and take them into the app. So, LMFire. Let's have a read of the documentation to get in to see what we need to do. Elegant. How can you working in Swift? This thing's got 22,000 stars, so it's not going away anytime soon. So I can sort of rely on it in terms of a good open source project to actually depend on. Fine, so different out, fine. So let's just pod install it. So no. Berlin Rouge, single quotes, Colours I'm not using, colours done. Which is the only here using Carthage. I begin to know who's here. Right, so usage, making a request, import on the fire that requests this, response handling, get this, response JSON. This could be quite easy. So I might make an actually a client and then have a client kind of encapsulate all that sort of stuff. I do want to make this a framework on its own, so it's going to need to do that. Because this framework I want to make is going to be used to power not only the app but also like the watch app and the today widget and stuff like that. So let's jump into our code. Let's make a new folder called new file. Go to touch class. It's called maybe our client because legit. So I'm making a new folder too because it's good to keep these sort of clean as you go. So let's take our client, we'll import on the fire. Let's make it called get. Get topics. So I have no arguments. Maybe the arguments now anyway. I'm going to return there a list of topic. And it'll look at the topics, it's not nullable or anything like that. Cool. And then let's see from the GitHub how to do this. So this seems sensible. Request, I assume they request default to get. JSON handler. What's JSON is there? Maybe I want this one. So this is actually quite a nice file to get used to operating. So problem is it's always synchronous. So what we're really going to get is not that. We're going to get a callback called. This is where my switch knowledge will fail me. And callback. Syntax keeps changing. The fundamental that switch callbacks have. Where is it in there? Fucking lock switch syntax. Bloody hell. Callbacks, blah blah blah. Show me that code. I get that callback back. Handler. Take something and return something. Handler. Take nothing. What are you? I'm being dumb using it, but there we go. I'm actually just going to play with some now and just see if we can get on file working. This is topics. Let's see, what's wrong with you? No, that's right. You happy? No, you're not. Did that thing still finish? No, I didn't. That's why. Because I stuffed up the profile. Why are you getting that? Not too bad. That should work. I don't know what comment I'm doing. Can you just tell me if this is ready, please? Cool. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Right. That's right. Cool. Right, pod stores running. Oh, that's happening. I can keep reading. That's cool. Sweet. Let's have a look, see if you can build me. You gotta build me. Oh, you gotta build me. So I hope everyone's had a great weekend. It's been an interesting week here for sure. I've been convening at work a dynamic framework. Sorry, an embedded framework to a dynamic framework, and that's been really interesting. All sorts of things to solve there. Yeah, it's been really, really quite fun. Built. That's excellent. Okay. What's your problem? Did I spell it wrong? What's your problem? Weird. Try to give it a run, I just go around its own. Alright, just swim that around. This seems to have shut up. That's good. So now what I really need to do is, let's just call get topics and stuff. I need a shared little thing here. If I can call this. Don't worry. So this is what's fucked. Like, I upped the font and the plain text font, not the rest of it. That makes sense. Not putting everything, that makes sense. Yeah. That was a dumb thing. I need to make an initial singleton in Swift. I'm just googling. That thing in Swift has come up a couple of times now, and I'm really liking it. It's actually a really good thing. Shared manager, dispatch once, boom. That's what I want. That was easy. Let's try this. Let's go share Joe. More Swifty. You can call that net. So let's go back to here. You can go shared. Is that gonna work there? I've got the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles song stuck in my head. So I'm going to have to issue that body code. There's actually a really good cover by someone I knew. Who listened to this? See how that goes down. I've already procrastinating. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Heroes in the action. Turtle power. That's enough. Let's go over that. Don't need you open. No, we're going here. Cool. So if you run away, I will be keen to see how you go. So boom. Just gonna go and run that. Did you want to watch Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles as a kid? I'm keen to know. Awesome. Nothing good. Crashed to start off the day. Why is that happening? Put up and done. Oh, the wrong team. Oh. Sit here again to see what Google's going to tell us about it. Sometimes Google's pretty terrible. Right, what's the issue? The right way to might do it slightly more. Might be again. Yeah. quite strange today. Ah, you failed. Shit. No, I did not. I'm fucking this up so badly. Walk out of my depth here for a stream, which is done. Shared. Machine. This is a depth, so yeah, no, I've been playing. It's the same. You can only Hi Amy, how's it going? I'm struggling with my outdated knowledge of something. It's really cool. Stars. So Amy, your property manager cancelled on you? That seems a bit rough. Maybe it was the same thing as I was doing before. Frustrating. At least the house. A bit frustrating, but at least the house is clean now. Yeah, I get that. That's that would be annoying for sure. Yeah, that's what's happened here. Ish. Clean-ish. I like that. That's fine. Your clicking is so loud. Oh no. Too loud? Turn my mic gain down a bit. I don't want to be too quiet, but yeah. Should really get a mouse. Yeah. Amy, give me a mouse. Nope, that is worse. Great. Well, just going to tap instead of click. I'm just being fussy. Well, that's, how do I say, not necessarily surprising. Let's try to get this to work. Once it works, the stream might be over. Aha! So now this works for some reason. How are we going? What have we got in response? What are you working on? Amy, you can see what I'm working on. Haha, nice try. I haven't knocked out Nightbot. In my things below, in my cards, you can see what I'm working on. So that would tell you what you need to know. I wonder why that's not doing anything. Let's see if it started, right? Surely. Yeah, I mean, if you check the cards below my feed, I mean, which bit of awkward turtle? Ah, yes. Well, good question. This is the part that connects to the internet to get the topics. So I made this API. It's running locally in Ruby on Rails. It's returning a list of topics with the topic suggestion plus the votes plus all that sort of stuff. So I can start to do something with it. Problem is, I don't really know how this request thing works. First, get by default, that should be right. Here it is. So if I just go to okay. Should get that. Yeah, one you get those. Let's just try LMFI's examples. Done with singletons and done with singletons in Swift. What I want to do is going to just say what prints out. Yawny. Cool. Request. Excellent. Response was nil. The response was nil. Why was the response nil? Why was the data nil? Why is it nil? On the file, local host. That second one looked more like my problem. Localhost cannot be accessed with an iOS similar device. You have a local IP for your address and the user's IP address in your program. Well, okay then. So by definition, my IP right now is 192.168.1.68. If I here to change this to 192.168.1.68, leave it once. Pro tip, hold down Option, click this thing to get your IP address. Good, let's try that. Actually, Chow, that UI though, you love the UI, right? It's the sexiest thing since, I don't even know. Amy, do you have any tips for the clicking thing? Or are you just going to complain about it? Because I'd love to hear some tips from a streaming professional like yourself about it. I think the answer is get a mouse and a bigger desk and pay more than $40 for the desk, Sam. I think what it is your voice is quiet and it like it needs to be. Nothing helps. Well, I'll find out. Okay. Response is still nil. What? What? Why is that even meant? Failure. Obviously it's failing. I don't particularly know why. I've never done this before, to be fair. Let me choose repo and see what they want us to do. Not reading, not seeing much. Something out here. That's annoying. No, I've done it. I've literally done it. Maybe I need HTTP in front of it. Because it's probably not figuring it out. It's just HTTP. Might give me a different error. It might give me a different error saying your like your security settings. What are they called? Transport security, ATS is done, but I don't really know. Hey, that looks more positive. Awesome. So you're gonna, perfect. It was that. That's done. Sweet. So now we have all these things. Do you like turtles? It's greatest fear, greatest weakness. Cool. So now I really just need to make a loop to loop through all this and convert it all into JSON. So topic equals, sorry, var topics. Just an array of topics. Stay there. Space, please. Yes, figure it out. Well, no, we can get to it. So topics dot append, add append topic JSON. So for JSON each, what type of value are you? This is where I'm just going to go with some lazy. Iterate over JSON. We got liquid response modifier. Now, what type of, it's definitely an array, so will this help me have a, no? Yeah, I understand that. For text in JSON, try that. What do we call it? JSON in that case. Do that. Cool, and then we need to make this topic thing. JSON. Should type in converted the origin. So, there you go. Have fun, Miss Potter. JSON. There we go. Here. Maybe come back to that in a second. So I'm just trying to get around a bit of Swifty JSON stuff. Not to be confused with Swifty JSON, which I'm aware is a JSON library. Crazy how there's like so much different from when I used to do it. Oh my gosh, it's different. We rolled a high level language running that. Run. Yeah. If this works, I'll probably end the stream pretty soon. I just want to do an hour today on this. Just see how it went. Cool. That seems to be working fine. Okay, person is and then let's come to here. Alright. I think we're getting close. There we go. Sorry. Why not? Weird. Yeah. Definitely a string. It'll be an optional now. I'm sure you can figure it out. There you go. Okay. See how it go. Nice. Okay. Now let's just have a handler, which looks like something I remembered it to look like. So let's just call it completion. Which, topic. Then we can return topics. And then we're calling it the call site. Yeah. Sorry, completion. Topics. I think that's right. Yeah, that's right. Result. You called from. Maybe you need like a loading. We probably need like a loading state at this point. But maybe in here, just go like do that. Just go like, after done. See how we go, shall we? Yeah, I'll be surprised this works first time, but it might. And that's fine. If it does, that'd be good. It'd be real good. Oh. Ah, look at that. Almost. What happened? Something happened. That's fine. But hey, that was sort of working. Um, why that broke? I have no idea. Excellent. We've got it working. It's been working. Let's go, go, man, let's go. At this point, I'll probably be going just to um, um, Cool. I was talking to a colleague yesterday, and he said, my initial commit on my public repos is what you need to have it working very basically. So, what next? I guess sprinkle some to-do through my code next time. So I'm going to move this to I'll just do it now. So click func. Just rename awesome. Change it to the topics. Right, just trying to make this whole thing really, really small. So I'm going to start this bit in here. Going to stop this bit in here. Then I'm going to call self setup. Use. I feel like that use should be more. Stop that. Yeah. When you may hear me mumbling to myself when I'm committing, because in my head I go, when applied, this commit will, and that puts me in the right tense for commit messages. So when applied, this commit will tidy the view controller code update. I think that's the good way to commit. Yeah. So next time on the stream, we're going to be extending the Rails portion. I'm going to make this votes mechanism, so it'll create vote objects. I need some sort of unique identifier for these users, though. I don't even know what, because we need something to uniquely identify them, just so. Well, I don't think I do. Maybe I just need a vote, like a vote or an ID that's either +1 or -1, and I can just sum all that sort of shit together. I don't know. Does a swipe left make a down vote, or does it make just a no effect vote? Yeah, I'm still going. People wouldn't need to make an awkward Toodle account, I don't think. I don't see why you have to. We're not tracking anything. The only thing is, once we implement, yeah, I would have an identifier at the end, but I don't think I need one. Sure, I was just going to say. Yeah, I'm just talking out loud to myself. Because if you're making a typical like button, you'd want to know who liked it, but I don't really care who upvoted these things. I just want to know that there was an upvote for a particular topic. So yeah, I might just make a posting point next time that accepts a topic ID and a vote direction, up or down, and that'll do that. And then I can start aggregating that into and then make some sort of ordering. So I guess next stream is probably going to be pretty Rails heavy, which works out fine because this one's a bit iOS heavy. Yeah. And if I get that working, the stream after that, I'll integrate that back to the app, and then I can say how many people like this idea versus how many people don't. Ooh, maybe that's a better idea. Kind of like YouTube videos, so upvotes and downvotes. So left is the downvote. So I can say on the bottom of each card, I can say, do you like turtles? 1,000 people liked this. 220 people didn't like this as a topic. That might be better. With the obviousness that like, um, if a person has an iPad and an iPhone, they're two different people. I wonder if you can get someone's iOS get users iCloud ID. If you don't want to support more than one device from a user, you can use the vendor ID, which is unique for all iOS devices, or a string, or users to fill out and register. Yeah, I'll keep thinking about that. I'll be open to ideas on the chat. But yeah, as for today, that'll be that. I will see you next time, and hopefully we can get some more stuff along this. It's coming along quite nicely, so I'm happy with it. Yeah, cool beans. I'm going to count down from 10, and we'll find out what OBS does in terms of pausing. So goodbye everyone. 10.